Today I'm going to show you how to make rich homemade beef stock or broth that you can store for soups, sauces, and so much more. It's easy, budget-friendly, and packed with flavor. You'll need about 2.5 pounds of meaty beef bones or a combination of some beef bones and some meat. Then I'm going to make a paste with 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to mix this into a paste. And rub it into the beef bones and the meat. Then I'm going to brown everything in some oil on the stove. You can also brown it in your Instant Pot if you want. And you'll add them to the Instant Pot as they get browned. And I'm going to add 1 large onion that's been quartered. I leave the skins on, but you don't have to. And 3 medium carrots cut into about 2-inch lengths. And 4 celery stalks cut into 2-inch lengths. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I use frozen tomato paste cubes. 1 bay leaf. And 2 sprigs of thyme. And lastly, about 8 to 10 cups of water. The more water you use, the less strong the broth will be. Put the lid on and cook on high pressure for 45 minutes. When it's done, you just strain off the broth and discard all the bones, meat, and vegetables. Then I cool mine overnight in the fridge, and you can take the fat off quite easily because it floats to the top and hardens. And that's it. You now have homemade beef broth that can be stored in the fridge for up to 4 days or in the freezer for 6 months. Perfect for elevating your cooking whenever you need it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite way to use beef broth.